Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. So today I want to go over once again, it's been a while, but what's in my tool bag, August edition. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. So I got this hanging up right now, but anyways, kind of got some garbage in here which I need to clean out, but usually just a little bit of random screws on these bottom two pouches, like wood screws and like sheetrock screws, ground screws, or I can't even think of the word right now. Like the silver bullets or bumblebees, the tech screws, that's what I'm thinking of, tech screws, ground screws. And as for tools, I got my hammer. I keep that in the big pouch instead of in the holder right here just because it's quieter, and sometimes I like to put my MC splitter in there. I do have, right now I just got the wire twister in there for the drill attachment. So I got that. I got like 4 Sharpies, I'm not sure why, but I do. And then I have a few random drill bits right here. So I got the square and the Phillips and a few random little drill bits right here. Actually, I think there's 2 Phillips in there right now, but I have like 3 random different size drill bits. And then as far as this, I got my old beater screwdriver, which the tip broke off, so I got a new one. But I still like to use the old one for beating and the new one for screwing. That doesn't sound right. Anyways, I got the headphones right here in case I get bored or want to not ignore someone. Just want to jam out. And over here, I got my my Phillips and straight blade screwdriver. I got the glow in the dark one just to kind of tell them apart, and it's cool. I got that. No, I didn't. I was gonna say I got that in Chicago, but I didn't. So I've had it for a couple years. Actually, I don't know, I had to exchange it once, but I've been beating on it, so it's been cracking and breaking off, but oh well. I have my strippers here, just the normal little ones. I did get a new set of Kleins recently, so those are nice. Just the heavy duty diagonal cutter with the angled head, and then the little not mini, but the medium sized, I think they're called the Cobra Knipex, with the adjustable thing on there. And I got my pipe reamer right here, and then I have my Milwaukee magnetic tape measure. I got my Greenlee torpedo level, and I got a razor blade, and that's not adjustable. I have this little tweaker screwdriver right here. I haven't taken that out yet, but it's nice just to carry. It's not too heavy, and you can take it out. I don't know what I was saying, but you don't really feel it because it's not that heavy, and it's nice to have it in case you need it. I have a little short pencil. I need to sharpen that, but then in the pouches I just have my wire nuts, my tan ones right there, tan and red. And over here, I don't know, it's just a few random things like my stubby screwdriver and a unibit. I think that's about it. So not too much has changed. A few things have come and gone, but that about wraps it up. I do have some gloves in here, and I'm not sure what's under the gloves. There could be something good in here. Wheat thins, so that's about it. I'm not sure what's below that. Probably just nothing. So anyways, that should do it, y'all. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams.